Sometimes you need more than one new tool, or it's easier to find the best tool combo kit than to have one individually replaced, so that is exactly what you're looking for. Luckily for you, there are a variety of equipment combo kits available from all the biggest and most reliable brands. You should also consider how the tools are powered. Some sets come with at least one battery to share among the tools, others may have more and some have none. Knowing about tools is one thing, but not everyone knows what to look for in a tool combo kit. So we have picked out 5 of our favorite tool combo kits, but they vary in size and tool type, so you may find your number one further down the article. Each kit has been reviewed based on what tools are in them and some of the handy features the tools in them have.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research the product and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Hitachi KC18DG4L 18V cordless 4-piece combo kit is a compact kit. This kit's inside you will find some familiar power tools if you have read the whole list, with a DV18DGL hammer drill, a WH18DGL impact driver, and a CR18DGL reciprocating saw. The 4th piece is a UB18DEL LED flashlight to be used while it is dark or otherwise low visibility where you are working. Accompanying this tools are 2 18V lithium-ion batteries, a charger, the carrying bag, and one Phillips 2 driver bed. The hammer drill boasts 487 inch-pounds of torque packed into this lightweight body. The handle is also designed to sit comfortably yet securely in the palm of your hand. The same can be said for the impact driver that weighs only 3.1 pounds but can still unleash 1280 inch-pounds of torque, so you know which one to reach for while you need some real power. The lithium-ion components you will receive in this kit will also be covered by Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, as well as their 2-year battery warranty and a 1-year charger warranty. Overall, adding a level of security to this purchase that should convince you to pull the trigger if you were already considering it. The Milwaukee 269624 M18 Cordless Compact Combo Toolkit, which is a humble 4 toolkit option that bundles some of Milwaukee's biggest hitters from the M18 into one convenient cherry red package. That package adds their M18 half-inch hammer drill or driver, M18 Sawzall reciprocating saw, M18 1/4-inch hex impact driver, and the customary M18 work light to use on those darker jobs. They are all cordless too, so wears are not an issue. To keep this tool powered, you also get 2 M18 XC high-capacity red lithium batteries and a 1-hour charger, all housed inside the red Contractor bag, which for transparency is flimsier than the storage for the above kits. The drill or driver features a 4-pole frameless motor that puts 5 and 50 inch-pounds of torque into whatever you are holding it to. It maxes out at approximately 1700 RPM. The Sawzall reciprocating saw has a unique patented clutch and counterbalance mechanism that protects its clutch, greatly expanding the durability and so the total lifespan of this tool. Overall, you will love the balance, feel and power of this kit. The Ryobi P883 1 Plus 18V Lithium-Ion Cordless Contractor's kit is a perfect combination of professionalism and affordability. With 8 pieces, it's the second largest kit that features in the list, and it consists of one P271 drill or driver, one P515 reciprocating saw, one accompanying circular saw, and one P704 work light, and then 2 P102 18V batteries and a P118 charger for all of that equipment. This is all housed within a Ryobi branded bag that is large enough that every tool has room to breathe. It's a wide-mouthed contractor's bag that's fashioned from cross-X stitched fabric, so it's very sturdy and will handle the tools inside it very well. Even the P271 power drill is pretty versatile because of its 24-position adjustable clutch, and it's also user-friendly since you can change over the bits used without needing any more tools to make the transfer. Both saws add rubber overmolds over the handles to improve your grip no matter the weather. Overall, it's a simple toolkit that is sure to make any home improvement project that much easier. BLACK+DECKER is a 6-piece combo set housed in a neat and semi-transparent carry case. The heart of this kit is the Matrix Quick Connect system, since the kit features only one tool body that you use, switching out the attachments as needed to achieve a wide range of DIY opportunities. Attached to the Matrix body is a 20-volt lithium-ion power unit, and the attachments added are the BDC-MTDD drill or driver, BDC-MTS detail sander, BDC-MTJS jigsaw, BDC-MTO oscillating attachment, and the BDC-MTI impact driver. Other accessories are also added in the kit, such as a universal adapter and sandpapers of various grit levels, from 60 to 240. Since the entire kit relies on its ability to perform, the powerful lithium-ion battery added with this kit will hold a charge for up to 18 months before you should notice a downturn in how it holds power. Overall, the kit itself is also pretty versatile for its size and price tag, featuring an easy-to-use and tool-free jigsaw blade changing process and a precise router attachment that is super for decorative woodwork. This is one of those brands that are famous for their stock construction yellow tool sets, DEWALT. The DEWALT 20-volt DCK940D2 Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, a 9-piece pack of heavy-duty power tools that come with a heavy price tag to match. Inside the kit, you will find their DCD771 half-inch drill driver and DCF885 impact driver, a DCS381 reciprocating saw and DCS393 circular saw, a DCS355 oscillating tool, a DCG412 4.5-inch grinder, and a DCD740 3/8-inch right-angle rail. Accompanying these tools is a DCL040 LED work light, DCR006 Bluetooth speaker, and two DCB203 XR batteries to charge them both with. The inclusion of the speaker is a nice touch, showing this kit is thinking about more than giving the right tools but also the right construction and DIY experience by supplying you with a durable worksite speaker. Overall, DEWALT consistently puts out tools that appeal to the masses. However, so maybe these tools will be the ones you have been looking for.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.